In this video, I am going to discuss about the mic placement for your PTE exam, which is one of the important factor that can heavily impact your score, especially your fluency and your pronunciation, and that can impact your speaking score as well as your transferable scores from your speaking to your reading and your listening module. This is one of the common mistakes that I've seen students doing while they go for the exam. First of all, I would highly recommend you guys to take your own sweet time when you go for the exam. Take at least 5 to 10 minutes. Check your volume again and again. Check your voice when you are doing the testing. Apart from that, I will be showing you the demo as to where your mic should be placed in the exam. Now, make sure the microphone is kept right below your chin, parallel to your jawline. Now you will say, ma'am, it won't go down. What you have to do is you have to tilt from here a little bit, tilt it forward, and make sure you're putting it right below your chin, parallel to your jawline. And what will happen in this case is whatever you're speaking and the breathing sound will not clash with the microphone, and whatever you're speaking will be clear enough and will be recorded. I hope this video was quite helpful to you guys. Make sure if you like this video and if any of your friend is struggling to get their score in speaking, this can be the major issue, their mic placement. Please do share the video with them and help them get their desired score. Thank you.